Hello students, in this video I am going to explain the concept of resistance. Now children, according to Ohm's law, we all know that the potential difference across a conductor is directly proportional to the current. You can see two tables which shows the current reading of conductor A and conductor B. If you see these two tables very carefully, then we see that as we increase the potential difference, the current drawn by the conductor increases in conductor A, and similar pattern is seen in conductor B also. So these two observations verifies Ohm's law that with the increase in potential difference across the conductor, the current also increases. But one difference you will note that same amount of potential difference when applied to these two conductors B and A, we find there is a difference in the current drawn by conductor A and conductor B. Means the amount of current drawn by conductor A when a potential difference of 5 volt is applied is quite less than conductor B, which is 2 ampere when a potential difference of 5 volt is applied, which says that there is something which is opposing the flow of current in conductor A. That is why it is giving less current as compared to conductor B. Now if we calculate the constant V by I for conductor A and conductor B, it comes out to be 5 for conductor A and 2.5 for conductor B respectively, which is again mathematically proven that conductor A is offering more hindrance than conductor B, which is double of conductor B. So this V by I is equal to constant R, which we have already discussed in Ohm's law, and this R or hindrance is known as resistance, and it is a characteristic property of a conductor. This can be simply explained by this activity. See children, in this picture there are two inclined planes and the planes are inclined at same level in both this case and this case. But if you see the surface very carefully, then we can make out there would be difference in the speed with which this ball will roll down in this plane surface and then in this rough surface. Yes, if we apply our common sense, the speed of this ball on this surface, plane surface, will be quite faster than the second case, because the ball will be slower in this case because of the frictional force opposing the motion. So similar kind of hindrance is offered by different conductors to the flow of charges, and we call it as resistance. So just a recap of what we discussed right now. According to Ohm's law, V is proportional to I. V by I is a constant, which is R or resistance. Resistance is the property of a conductor to resist the flow of charges through it. Its SI unit is ohm, which is indicated by a Greek letter omega. 1 ohm is the resistance across a conductor when 1 volt of potential difference is producing a current of 1 ampere, or we can say 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere.